In this video, you'll learn how to change the theme of your Stan store. By following these steps, you will be able to customize the appearance of your store to better suit your brand and preferences. Begin by navigating to the Stan store website in your preferred web browser. Once the page loads, look for the option to log in, enter your credentials, and click the login button to access your account. If prompted, complete any additional security steps required to verify your identity. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to the main dashboard. On the left sidebar, locate the Home option. Click on Home to access your store's main interface. This will bring you to a screen where you can manage various aspects of your store. Next, look for the Choose Store Theme button displayed prominently on the dashboard. Clicking this option will present you with a selection of available themes. Take a moment to browse through the different themes to see which one aligns with your vision for your store. Once you have found a theme that you would like to use, click on it to select it. This action will typically highlight your choice, confirming that it is the selected theme. After making your selection, look for an Apply or Save button, which is usually located at the bottom of the theme selection window. Clicking Apply or Save will initiate the process of changing your store theme depending on your internet speed and the size of any visual assets. This may take a moment. Wait for the confirmation message that indicates the theme has been successfully applied. Once you see this message, your new theme will be active on your store. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.